Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make an espresso using one of our products, Planit PCM F-15 from Korea. So, lagyan muna natin ng water yung water tank. Makikita nyo naman meron siyang max indicator kung hanggang saan lang yung water na pwede nyong ilagay. Make sure lang rin na naka-insert properly yung ating water tank. So, let's turn on the machine. Habang inaantay natin mag-warm up or mag-heat up yung machine, i-prepare na natin ang ating espresso grounds. For more details about this machine, you may visit our website at www.pepperfinesph.com or facebook.com/pepperfinesph. What's the good thing about this Planit machine is meron siyang gauge or meron siyang indicator na makikita nyo if nasa certain temperature na ba ang machine. So, ayan. Nakita nyo naman sa video na nag-on na yung green light. It means ready na yung machine for brewing. And yung gauge niya, makikita nyo rin na nasa brewing temperature na siya. So, just like other machines, before tayo mag-brew, kailangan muna nating i-rinse. Para sure na malinis ang ating extraction valve at walang mga espresso grounds na nakastock. And i-wipe nyo lang siyang maigi. Make sure na dry. Make sure lang rin na yung espresso grounds nyo is properly tampered and properly distributed. So, ayan, insert the portafilter all the way through the center or sa lock icon, tapat ng lock icon para sure na nakalock siya. 1 shot of espresso glass. But medyo maliit yung cup ko kasi masyadong makrema yung Planit. So, I'll use a bigger cup. Ayan. Press the center button. Ayun po ang ating brewing button. Pag namatay na yung green light button, pwede nyo nang patayin yung or i-off yung brewing. I-stop yung brewing. Ayan. So, meron na tayong 1 shot of espresso. Kita nyo, makapal yung krema niya. Unlike other machines, hindi ganun kakapal yung krema. But this one is so thick. And krema talaga siya, hindi lang siya air or bubbles. Now, proceed na tayo sa protein. Ayan. So, i-press lang natin ang ating frothing button or steam button. And pwede na tayo mag-froth ng ating milk. Antayin lang natin mag-on yung orange light. So, take note of this. Kapag brewing light, green light siya. Kapag frothing light is orange light siya. As you can see, merong leaking na lumalabas or water na lumalabas sa ating extraction valve. Ibig sabihin, nagwa-warm up na siya and nagbi-build na siya ng pressure inside. So, kailangan na natin mag-release ng pressure by releasing steam or purging the wand. Ayan. So, as you can see, nawala na yung leaking niya. Wipe niya lang yun ulit. So, before and after nyo mag-froth, kailangan nyo muna mag-release ng steam or i-purge yung steam wand para mabawasan yung pressure and mas maganda yung kalabasan ng milk. Ayan, malalaman nyo na ready na yung milk nyo kapag hindi nyo na kayang hawakan yung milk jug or hindi nyo na kaya yung init. Ayan. Meron na tayong frothed milk. Wipe niyo lang yung steam wand. Natatanggal siya, so pwede niyo siyang hugasan after niyo gamitin. So, release lang tayo ulit ng steam para lang sure na walang excess ng milk na nakastock sa ating steam wand. Rinse na rin natin yung machine para mawala yung mga espresso grounds na nakastock sa ating extraction valve. Ayan. Wipe nyo lang maigi and medyo ingat lang kasi mainit yung ating extraction valve, baka mapaso yung kamay nyo. Now, pwede nyo nang i-transfer ang ating espresso sa ating glass. Pwede nyo nang i-transfer ang ating frothed milk sa ating glass with espresso. Ayan. So, meron na tayong cappuccino. You can put any flavorings that you want, syrup, sauces, or anything. Kahit sugar lang is okay. For more demo videos, please visit our website at www.pepperfinesph.com or facebook.com/pepperfinesph. Thanks for watching!